there, my name is April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I just have to jump on here for just a couple of minutes. I have to say thank you to each and every one of you. I hit 1,000 subscribers today. That is such a milestone for YouTube. I am so happy. So today was the day that I hit that number. That's such a big, great number. So that will bring me to a whole different level on YouTube. It means I get to start focusing really more on putting out more good videos. Things are going very well, and now that has proven when you have 1,000 subscribers that I'm going to go on to like a new level. So what's going to happen for me is I plan on putting out a ton of really great content, lots of videos, lots of tutorials. I will show tips and tricks, and I will be showing quilts and projects. So I had to learn the ropes when I started, because you're brand new. When you're brand new at YouTube, there's a lot of things you have to learn. I started this in January, at the end of January, and I pretty much have been non-stop just trying to learn what I do know now. I still have so much to learn. When you first start YouTube, all you're focusing on is just trying to get out the content to get to the subscribers. Thank you all so much for watching too. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. I would appreciate it so much. It's just going to get me to where I need to go a little bit quicker, and it allows me to put out more and more content. But now that I've got my 1,000 subscribers, what I'm going to be able to do is really get focused more on the other things, such as getting some better lights and, you know, setting myself up a little better and more prepared with what I put out there for content. So I hope you continue to watch, and I hope if you haven't subscribed that you will subscribe. Okay, thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for liking, subscribing, being so supportive. I will see you next time, and remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Bye.